Is your Apple Cash account unexpectedly frozen, leaving you unable to send or receive money? Don't worry. This video will guide you through the steps to unlock your Apple Cash and get back to your digital transactions. First, understand that Apple Cash restrictions are usually triggered by security measures, often due to unverified information, suspicious activity, or simply exceeding transaction limits. The first step is to open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for your Apple Cash card. If it's restricted, you'll typically see a notification right on the card itself indicating the restriction. Tap on the Apple Cash card to view more details. Read the notification carefully. It should give you some clues about why your account is restricted. It might say something like verification required or account limited next. Tap on the notification to access any available options, which often include a prompt to verify your identity. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to provide any requested information, like your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number, which Apple uses to verify your identity. You might also be asked to upload a photo of your driver's license or other governmental ID. Follow these instructions very carefully. If no verification options appear or if the restriction remains after verification, then you will need to contact Apple support directly. You can do this by going to Apple's support website, searching for Apple Cash support, and initiating a chat or phone call. Explain your situation to the support representative and provide them with any information they request. They'll be able to investigate further and guide you through the necessary steps to resolve the restriction. That's how you can resolve a restricted Apple Cash account.